My video is about removing the ransomware called AzzaSec. AzzaSec stands for a new ransomware that targets many Windows computers all over the world. This AzzaSec ransomware is able to damage the files. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. This ransomware encrypts files and appends this as a sec extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note indicating that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration, but paying the ransom isn't a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. So the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. And then at the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I would recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way, with Premium license, your data would always be under the protection from further ransomware or malware attacks. Speaking regarding file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.